In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your Roblox Smart TV no internet error. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and try to restart your internet connection. Make sure that your Wi-Fi is working on other devices. Restart your modem or router if you haven't already, and make sure that your other devices aren't using too much bandwidth, like watching lives. If possible, try connecting your TV with an Ethernet cable. If that is not the case, you can simply go ahead and head into the status.roblox.com to check status page. If none of the calls are being received, or they're not, or the game is not being opened when you're trying to contact support. Also, you can simply go ahead and restart your smart TV, turn off your TV and unplug it for 30 to 60 seconds and plug it back in. If none of it works, you might have to go ahead and head into your TV setting and then go to clear cache on application manager. Also check date and time and region. Make sure that it is set to automatic date and time, which is going to be a problem if you've not done it. Finally, if there is any update for your application, you might be facing this